Ladies and gentlemen, take your eyes back to the sky. The Indian Air Force is proud to present its newest war machine, the Light Combat Aircraft Tejas. This dream machine has been developed by Aeronautical Development Agency. Today, the pilot in command is Group Captain Samrat Dhankar, Vayu Sena Medal, Vishisht Seva Medal, nicknamed Danny, Commanding Officer, 45 Squadron. Ladies and gentlemen, please look to your left. In a few moments from now, you will see a trail of smoke running in of the Light Combat Aircraft Tejas. Here we go. Tejas pulling into a loop. The looping maneuver in the vertical plane is indicative of the ability of the aircraft to rapidly change plane in the vertical flight with an adversary. The pilot can be seen easing out of the loop, and now he is building up potential for the max rate. It is to demonstrate the ability of the aircraft to change direction in the shortest possible time. The pilot is now executing a right turn to position for his next maneuver. As the pilot approaches from your left, you see him turning in front of you. Wait, is there something amiss? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, he is executing a negative G pushover turn. As the pilot flips the aircraft, he now carries out a left wing over to position her directly pointing the audience. As you can see straight ahead, the aircraft is now pointed directly at us and now pulling up into the sky for a loop. The pilot generates 8G and pulls up for the loop in front of you. Danny is experiencing 8 times his body weight as the force of the maneuver wins him with speed. And as he eases out of the loop, you can now see him turning left and carrying out a minimum radius turn. This maneuver is used to turn towards the enemy to gain advantageous position in close combat. And now you can see Danny positioning from the left. Now you can see Danny positioning from the left for a slow speed, high angle of attack flyby. Danny is a graduate of a National Defense Academy and was commissioned in the fighter stream in June 2001. Any guesses on what his speed is like? Well, he is at 200 kilometers per hour. And for a fighter aircraft, that is indeed slow. At this speed, even the winds stop to stare. invert the aircraft and bring her back through the vertical. Look to your right and you can see him accelerating as he now pulls up and rolls rapidly in yet another demonstration of his agility. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was the Tejas. Danny now bids farewell for the day and disappears into the blue yonder. Give a huge round of applause for light combat aircraft Tejas.
देवियों एवं सज्जनों,